guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna go clean up the mess. I'm just gonna leave it there because we're doing What are you watching? Oh, you like anime? Oh, nice. I didn't know one thing about anime. And the only thing I know is Naruto. And it's a slime that I made today. And guess what it's all made out of? Glue! Of course it is. Glue. So it's made of glue and baking soda. And dye, of course. Not like in a mean way, but you know, like paint dye. Look how good it is. Let me put it up here. It's literally such a good slime. Like, I thought I was just like making something, but no, I was actually making slime. So I think, should I start like making like a brand or something? I wish I could, because no, but I forgot there's no comments. My mom won't let me put the comments on. Gosh darn it. Oh, wait, come here. So I actually made something yesterday too. And actually I make a lot of things. I just noticed that. I make a lot of things. So I made this. It's like a stress bottle. So this bottle and dye. I have to be careful with this. Oh my gosh, get up. It has sugar in it. It's like really cool. Like, I really like it. My mom helped me make it. And also we had to use paper. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh wait, no. So like, yeah, like I said, we had to do this. I'm literally sideways right now. I have to be careful because I have sugar. My mom said it's poison to the dogs. So like, yeah, I'm just joking. There we go. Okay. So I have some, why is there a filter on me? Like, oh man, that makes me look like I'm like, wait, I'm gonna slime out right now. Okay, this bag. And I have this slime, but it's my first slime, but it didn't work out. So that's that slime. And then I have this bucket of slime. I didn't make this. Scratch. Okay, I'm ready. So I have a computer, and I like love doing it. I don't care if my tablet's at 4%. Okay. Guess what I also made? Sorry, I just make like a lot of things. I don't know why. Yeah. I'm not doing it. Come on, chill. Come on. Woo. Yeah, wake up. Oh, wake up. Okay, it's awake. Are you awake? You're awake, right? You're awake. Get awake. Come on. What is that? Oh, it's on the screen. like, it's like right here. Oh my gosh, are you like this? Like, you're not on it? Like, what's going on? I don't know how you're feeling, but I want to make something. What should I make? Oh, my gerbil got out of her cage today. But, like, what should I make? I don't know what to make. Why do I have a filter on? It's not a filter. I mean, it's a filter. I think. I'm gonna play with my slime while I do this. While I think about this. Why is it so wet? Why is it so wet? It's like so like soft. Wait, this could be like a slushie. Okay, so I'm gonna get all of them like little their boxes of their own. This one's probably, its name's probably gonna be like slushie. So its name is gonna be slushie. So icy blue slushie. Blue icy slushie. And then like this one I made, but like it's like dead now, so like I'm getting it out right now. Get out. Get out. You're basically not slime anymore. If you're this hard, we need this slime in there. See how soft that's just like. So I'm gonna put it in. It's in now. My label is broken. Okay, make it nice. Some paper. Then I have scissors. And then I also have these. It's on my little handy box. So and I also have these. So like basically I've like been my whole entire life ready for this. I don't know why. Okay. I see blue. Slushy. How do you spell slushy? Slushy. So I made it, and this is what it looks like. It's backwards, and this is icy blue slushy. So all around it. Got my scissors. I don't think they can cut. I think they're just fake. Yep, they're fake. Let me go get real ones. I think one is actually over here somewhere. And I'm looking until I say I'm right. Let's just say I found these over here. I was right. Definitely right. So this is what the label is going to look like for now. And it's just I'm going to tape it. Blue. I see blue slushy. And then let me find my tape. Here it is. Here's my tape. Like, there's literally drinks in here. There's really everything in my room. Like, everything, like, I have it. I'll be like, I already have it, but, like, I guess. But I guess. It's, like, really cute, too, because it's like that. It's white. Cute. There we go. And sometimes I'll just take it out. Be like, here's my slime. My homemade slime. For your definition. FYI. For your information. La la la. What do I do now? Since I'm basically gonna start selling these. Oh. I'm like, whoa. Because it actually feels like a slushie, to be honest. It's like a slushie. I just want to eat it. But I'm not gonna. It's not even tasty. It's totally edible. But you should check out my stuff then. Like the shorts that I made. So I gotta go. Bye.